Hello students, how are you all? So today we will study about chapter 5 of our English language book, that is articles. So in this chapter we will study about the articles. So let's begin. Think, do you remember the vowels and the consonants? So students, do you remember the vowels and the consonants? Okay, let me tell you what are the vowels and the consonants. So, vowels are the A, E, I, O, U. So, there are 5 vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, students? And now, we will study about the consonants. So, what are the consonants? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, not U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So these are the consonants. So students, when we are using vowels, we will be using A, N in the English. And when we are using the consonants, we will be using A before them. Okay students? So let's understand the pictures which are given here. Color the picture that begins with the vowel sounds. So students, there are the pictures over here and we have to color these images when they sound as vowels. So let's see. So the first one is orange. So what is an orange? Orange is a fruit. So how we are going to write it? An orange. So that is O, O-R-A-N-G, orange, and O is a vowel. So we'll be adding A-N, and before the orange. So we'll be writing like this. An orange. Okay students? And there is an ink pot. So ink pot, that means it's starting from the I. So we'll be using A-N. That means it is also a vowel. So we'll be writing as an ink pot. Like this. So there is an apple. So what is the spelling of apple? A-P-P-L-E. Okay students, so A is a vowel. So we'll be writing an apple. An apple. Okay students, so this is how we have to write down with the vowels, that is A-N. So let's see more images. So here is an egg. So egg means E-double-G. So that means E in the beginning. So that is a vowel. So we'll be writing like A-N. An egg. Okay students? So we'll be writing here an egg. So the next one is a boat. So we'll be writing a boat because it starts with B. And B is not a vowel, it's a consonant. And we will not color this image also because in this exercise we have to color those pictures who has a vowel sound. Okay students? So now there is another one, that is umbrella. So what is the meaning of umbrella? What is the spelling of umbrella? U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. So that is the spelling is started with U, and U is a vowel. So we'll be writing here an umbrella. An umbrella. Okay students, like this. So let's understand more about how to use an and a. Read these sentences. Give me a pen. I can eat an apple every day. So students, here is the first sentence which says that give me a pen. That is a singular pen. Okay, and when we are using the word pen, that is starts from P. Okay, and P is a consonant. It is not a vowel. So we'll be using a pen. Okay, students? And the next one is I eat an apple every day. So students, apple, as I told you before also, apple is a vowel because it starts with A. So we'll be using an apple like this. An apple and a pen. Okay, students? The words a and an are articles. They are used with singular nouns. So both the articles a and an are used with the singular nouns. We use a before the consonant sounds and a before the vowel sound. Okay, students? So now let's do some exercises. So the first one is B. Circle the pictures that begin with vowel sound. Fill in the blanks with a or an. So students, here is an exercise in which we have to fill the sounds with the vowels and we have to do the exercise. So the first one is aeroplane. So it starts with A. So A is a vowel. So we'll be writing an over here. An aeroplane. Okay, students? So next one is parrot. So it is starting with P. So P is not a vowel. P is a consonant. So we'll be writing here a parrot. Okay? So now here's another one, that is third, which is jug. So jug is also a consonant. So that means we are going to write a jug. So another one, that is fourth one, which is an apple. So it starts with A, that means it's a vowel. So we're going to write an apple. Now there's fifth one, that is fan. So it starts with F, that means it's a consonant. So we'll write it down, a fan. Then there is sixth one, which is nest. So nest starts with N. So we're going to write a nest. Okay? Then there is seventh one, which is an orange. So we're going to write an orange because O is a vowel. An orange. Then eighth one, that is ice cream. We're going to write an ice cream because it starts with vowel. So students, here this is how we have come to the end of this part 1 of this video, and in the another part we will discuss the further topics